Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid. I'm your English teacher. I'm giving you a warm welcome with pleased morning. So the main objective of this class is to make you able to communicate effectively and appropriately in real life situations. This class will help you to boost your knowledge and of course your confidence. As you know that English is the language of world. It is the language of science, technology and internet. And with this you can find a good job, and of course you can also have an opportunity to study all over the world where the first and priority language is English. And in this class we are providing you a flexible and optimistic environment to learn this language with activity based classes and of course with illustrations and videography. And with this class you will be able to recap your knowledge that you learned from your schooling system. And in this class students will be able to perform their home tasks by their owns. So thank you very much for watching this session, and please join this class.